I decided that I would treat myself and buy myself the 216 pack of Ohuhus. So the Ohuhu markers come with this nice little piece of plastic to put in between sheets in like your sketchbook or whatever, so that you don't get any bleed throughs. It comes with the swatch set, which will hopefully help me order the chaos that is these markers. 1 and 2, 3. And it also comes with this nice little leaflet. This is how much I ended up paying for my 216 piece set, $341.77, and that was in Australian dollars. I'm in New Zealand. Now comes the fun part. I wonder if you can stick this on its side without them all falling out. We'll soon find out. Ta-da! Doesn't that look nice? I might slide them over here. So far with the Ohuhu 216 Honolulu alcohol marker set, I swatched the original Ohuhu swatches that come with the pack, and I really don't like the way the colours flow on the charts. I made a boo-boo here, so I just blue tacked a little bit of paper. I just don't think it flows in like colour families very well. Then I decided I would make my own swatch. So this is in the order of these to see if it looked a little bit better that way, but still it doesn't. We're going all over the place. So this is done on Express It Copic blending card, and as you can see, it's still not really very good. I have made myself another chart to try. So I'm going to swatch this one today, and then we're going to compare it to the original swatch order and see what looks better. I've already ordered the colours here. As you can see, I think it looks a lot better organised this way than the original way. I'll put a photo up of the original way, meaning in this order of these swatches. So we'll see how that looks on paper. So we'll get straight into it. Just reorganise myself, get rid of this stuff. So this is done on the Express It blending card as well, just so we're getting, you know, the same colour out of the markers. I noticed when I printed this out that I made a boo-boo. This is now fixed on the PDF version. If you wanted to download yourself a copy of this swatch, you can get that from my Gumroad page. It will cost you $2 for this one. I'll put the link below to my Gumroad page in the video description. However, if paying for something is not really up your avenue, I am quite happy to send you a copy of this PDF for free. The only thing I ask is that you are a subscriber to my channel. So if you email me at CSmurfDooart@gmail.com and in your subject line put your YouTube username followed by the words free swatch, I'll double check that you're subscribed and I'll send you out this swatch. So that's all of the swatching for this video, which is part 1. And I'll put an end card up so you can click on that to watch the second part of the swatching, which will be the rest of it. In the meantime, guys, I hope that you will subscribe for more stuff like this. And you just keep doodling.